You're heading into winter, the temperatures are dropping fast, and your home still feels cold no matter how high you turn up the main heater. Suddenly, you see ads everywhere for the ClimaWarm Heater, a compact plug-in device that promises fast heating, lower bills, and cozy rooms in minutes. But you stop and wonder, is ClimaWarm actually effective, or is it just another overhyped winter gadget in 2026? Welcome to GigaBits, where we test tech, home gadgets, and trending products to see what's truly worth your money. Today's review breaks down whether the ClimaWarm heater is the winter essential it claims to be, or if you're better off skipping it. I spent a full week testing the ClimaWarm heater in different environments: a small bedroom, a medium-sized office, and an open living room. I checked heat output, energy consumption, noise levels, safety features, and real performance over several days. I also compared it to similar compact heaters like the HeatPal 2.0, InstaHeat Pro, Ecotherm heater, and standard ceramic space heaters from Walmart and Amazon. On top of that, I monitored user feedback, customer complaints, and reports from gadget forums to understand common issues and real results. After all this testing and research, I now have a clear idea of what ClimaWarm truly delivers in 2026. ClimaWarm markets itself as a powerful mini heater that can warm an entire room quickly while using far less electricity than standard heaters. It highlights rapid ceramic heating, adjustable temperature control, built-in safety sensors, and quiet operation. But are these claims realistic? Does ClimaWarm actually heat a full room? Is it really energy efficient? And is it worth choosing over bigger, more established heaters? Step 1. Heating performance. ClimaWarm uses ceramic heating plates that warm up within seconds. That part is true. In a small bedroom, it increased the temperature by about 3 to 5 degrees Celsius in 20 minutes. In medium rooms, the effect was slower and less noticeable. In large or open spaces, it struggled to make any real difference. Step 2. Energy efficiency claims. The device draws around 500 to 700 watts depending on the model. That's lower than full-size heaters, but also means it produces less heat. It's efficient for small areas, but it won't replace a central heating system. The advertised up to 50% energy savings is exaggerated. Step 3. Safety features. ClimaWarm includes overheat protection and a tip-over shutoff. During testing, the device stayed stable and did not overheat. However, the plastic shell becomes warm after long use, so it must be kept away from fabrics or confined spaces. Step 4. Noise levels. Noise is minimal, about the same as a small desk fan. It's suitable for bedrooms, offices, and night use without being disruptive. Step 5. Build quality. The heater feels lightweight and somewhat cheap. The materials resemble other mass-produced generic heaters sold under different brand names. While functional, it lacks the durability of premium ceramic heaters. Step 6. Customer support and reliability. Many customer reviews report mixed experiences. Some praise its convenience, while others complain about delayed shipping, unclear warranty terms, and difficulty contacting support. This inconsistency is a warning sign, especially for buyers expecting long-term reliability. So, do you actually need the ClimaWarm heater in the winter of 2026? Here's the quick breakdown. Pros: heat small rooms effectively, low power consumption, quick ceramic warming, quiet operation, lightweight and portable. Cons: not powerful enough for medium or large rooms, marketing exaggerates energy savings, build quality is average, customer support can be unreliable. Many identical heaters exist under different brand names. The bottom line: ClimaWarm is a practical option only for small spaces like bedrooms, offices, or personal work areas. It's convenient, quiet, and easy to use, but it's not the miracle heater the ads suggest. If you expect full room heating or long-term durability, traditional ceramic or infrared heaters will serve you better. For quick spot heating, however, ClimaWarm does the job. If this review helped you decide whether the ClimaWarm heater is right for your winter setup in 2026, hit like and subscribe to GigaBits. And tell me in the comments, do you use compact heaters or do you prefer full-size heating systems? Thanks for watching GigaBits, helping you stay warm, safe, and informed this winter.